how do you know if you are addicted to sugar or not?
Yeah, so great question. So I have this like 2-question method I like to use, which I didn't come up with it, but it works really well. It's, can you stop? A, and then B, can you stay stopped? So a lot of people who identify with dieting, diet mentality, they can stop. But the question is, what happens on day 3, day 5, day 7, day 30? Can they stay stopped? I think that's really clear. We have a lot of tools too that we can use. There was a tool that was used originally for alcohol. It was called the Uncope. And basically it's a 6-question questionnaire. And do you identify with not being able to say no? Do you identify with eating more than you meant to? Those are just a couple of questions, but it's a 6-question questionnaire. And we've adapted it for myself and my mentor, Bitten Johnson. We've adapted it for food and sugar. And so I think that's a really good place to start. That's one of those big screens we use because it's so quick. You can do it in like 20 or 30 seconds.